Spice defend dancehall queen Danger and say any man where RAPE fi get lock up, she no care who.
But your whole ulterior motive are because you did come on internet for think say you're gonna get a big hype. You think you're gonna get a big hype and a big forward and people that gonna beat up them chest and say, whoa, Spice Babyfather did a fuck pan her, but you rape the girl for true. You do it. You rape the girl for true. Cause I saw you stay, you can't satisfy your licky your wanga gut. You have to go to prison and you deserve to go to prison. I'm tired to tell Danger she need to go report it. I don't care how much years after them better change the law. Any man will rape to go to prison.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. So people today Spice went live and she let it all out. You know what I mean? She talked about everything. She addressed her baby father, you know, the situation with him and Danger. And she says she stand by Danger's side, right? And she encouraged Danger to report it. Also, she talked about the fact that her baby father make RT influence him to say that him son and no femme. As well as she addressed the female them in a dancehall. And she addressed, you know, the whole Obia story. She talked about ladies pretty much everything, right? So at the end of the video she ended up breakdown and crying. So I have all of that for showing up people. So let's get into the first part where she addressed her baby father. Here goes.
Idiot Nicholas. You go up on the man life and try bring me down. Till you end up even bring down your own son. First of all, even if you never know, say the man I go talk about your son from the mention your son know him. If you did love and rate and respect your son from the mention it, you know what you say? Don't talk about my son. But you're so up in the hype and they want the clout. You're the pan it a kick. How we bring her down? Here you know you beat your chest. Me fuck Danger. Because you feel like so when you talk say you fuck Danger, it's gonna look bad for me and people are gonna laugh and say, whoa, Spice Babyfather did a fuck pan her. Me no care, me my years you in my house and me stop fuck you. Cause me eat you like poison. And you can't even come talk say a lie because you know me, you will put out the text them. Cause me have the old phone, me no dash shit way. Me no dash shit way. Remember say 3 years me and you not have sex in my house. Cause me a run you and I tell you say me can't, me not have no feelings for you towards you. So if you didn't even fuck for me, you're supposed to. Because you're supposed to did on you want some pum pum. Cause me never did I give you none. And years me and you left in and you still living in my house and you never want to come out. But remember me tell you, you see when the girl, hold on, I want to go into the story good. Before this bus out, Danger called me. Danger called me. As a matter of fact, she called me a DM, she DM me because she never have my number. She sent me a DM and she say, old friend, I have something I want to say to you. You can call me, please. When Mr. Danger send me the DM and Danger say, if me can call her, please. Me look on it and me say, what? About 4 years now, me not talk to Danger. And in them time, me look up praying and I say, then God, what is now? What is a come up now all that is something I could have was so. Anyway, me get a day and me sleep and because you know so me stay, we are Leo. We have to sleep and think about it. And I say, Jesus God, what Danger want to tell me now? 2 days after she texts me, or a day after 2 days after she texts me, or even longer than me no remember. Me say, send me a number. Me say send me a number. Cause me never have her number, she never have mine. Me stop talk to her. And me stop talk to her because me did hear rumors of, you know, she and the baby father. But that's why I tell you, me tell Danger the same thing. And one thing me blame you for, I don't know how you keep your mouth so long or how you not talk, you know. Because you see, if you did talk, this would not reach and it wouldn't fly upon you, so you should have talk long time. Because me no care, no baby father, not, you know. Me see him wanted to stand upside there and make sure say any man will rape for go to prison, me not really response. I mean, no care how no one talk it. Any man will rape, them deserve to go to prison. Danger send me a DM. I think about it for 2 days. I don't know what she want to talk to me about. I get her number. I tell her, say, send me a number. I call her. When I call her, I say, Danger, I want him. She start tell me. She cry. She explain to me. And she says, Spice, a years we not talk. I mean, know you hear rumor, but me did afraid for come tell you. And she say, this really happen. And when she tell me, say, this really happen, I tell her, say, me never shake up so yet in my life. I tell her, I say, Danger, you should have never keep it a secret. You should have never keep this a secret from me. Because many of you me and I know, but me and Danger was like, so if she willing to talk the truth, a years me not talk to her, because me hear her, she never want to talk, and me just, I saw me stay, me not have luck with people. One of my fans who know me not have luck with people, me start like a seaside. But me and her was like this, very close. And me say, how could you not tell me something like this? You should have tell me, you should have talked.
So in the next part, you know, people, Spice suggest her baby father and I say him do it. You know what I mean? She basically outright accuse him and I say I saw him stay, so she feel like him do it. You know what I mean? And that's the part where you see in the beginning of the video, when time, you know what I mean, in the intro, where she has say him forget lock up, she no business at all. So let's get in another party. And she talk about a lot of other things in another party too. So let's see what she has to say. Here goes.
When me go down in night, the boy go on live. And him swear say him a play big. And him a go flap me and him a go bring me down. And him a plot up and a scheme up with the plan of the enemy. I mean, I live a strong and God just go so whoop and box him in his face and say, move your... Hey, the boy go on the boy live. Hear him now? My fuck Danger. And I big up him chest. Because when him a big up him chest, him swear say now say, people are going to say, hey, a big top dan, him the fuck on a Spice dancer. And it does backfire upon him. See, I like how it backfire upon the wicked man. Because I don't know if you never have glasses for see. Say it go backfire upon you because God no like wicked. But me I go tell you something, and me I go tell you this straight and make you know from now. That means say who else a plot fi come you know say. Never you bite the hands that feed you. Remember you talk out your own mouth, say me make you the offering. But your whole ulterior motive are because you did come on internet for think say you go get a big hype. You think you're going to get a big hype and a big forward and people that go beat up them chest and say, whoa, Spice Babyfather did a fuck pan her, but you rape the girl for true. You do it. You rape the girl for true. Because I saw you stay, you can't satisfy your licky your wanga gut. You have to go to prison and you deserve to go to prison. I'm tired to tell Danger she need to go report it. I don't care how much years after them better change the law. Any man will rape to go to prison. And you join in pan life, that's y'all like disrespect all your own son. That's the all like disrespect all your own son. That not hurt me. Because DNA they everywhere in America. You know which part in this. If you want a DNA, come take one germs. Dirty man, come take a DNA if you want a DNA. You're not bright. You're not bright and face. The baby sham don't know if me's a man or a woman. You not mix up people name because you want to bring me down in every way. So you want all those come tumble down for me. You not call up all the Christian woman name. And I come, hey, you no go with the bungalow, no move. And go with the bungalow, no foolishness. On a bungalow, no go from there. The woman a Christian in our church, you not call up the woman name, you not call up this one name, you not call up this one name, all because you want all us to tumble down for me. Go with the bungalow. Go 2020. A 2020 on a name. I feel away. Yes, me feel away. We no go on with the bungalow on the 2020. We no go. Yo. The man a call up everybody name. The man a call up everybody name because I want all us to tumble down for me and then you stay home and laugh and feel say, oh, yeah, man. But God mash up the plan of the enemy. God mash up the plan and crush it and send it back in the pit of hell. God mash up the plan and root it up, you see. And just stretch and dash it down the face and say, where? 2020. Wanna sit down and plan and plot up how you can bring me down. Babyfather, I not have to tell the people them what you not do for your kids them, but when I fall, your kids fall with me because me and them own the backbone. May I repeat it again. Babyfather, when I fall, because you walk and wish to see me fall, but any day, If I fall, which now go happen knock on board because me's a warrior.
So now Spice address this obvious story because you know said this story are from 2011, 12 coming up, right? So she has say, you know, even Maka Diamond we has say she hobby her and everything. She has said that no make no sense because at the time she was the only one without song. She has said every artist did run the place. You know, Tifa did that. You know, Maka Diamond they had. Pampute, Ladies, everybody they had. Spice said she was the only one without a song at the time. You know what I mean? So she did go through the struggle. So why, you know what I mean, she would put any kind of nothing on them. So Spice said she not really working at them thing there. But Spice attack and I say, you know, she just get fear run from 2014. So I'm gonna make Spice talk about it. Here goes.
You know, since 2014, some like it come out. Some like it come out 2014. And if at 2020 now, that means that was 6 years ago. And it's 6 years ago me get my fear running a dancehall. And come back in a this now. I get my fear running a dancehall 6 years ago. And I've been in the business for 20 years. 2 decades. And from me I must be 16 years old. I wanna charm me, I wanna bring me, I wanna carry me. Me just now 6 years ago get look at hype. Just I don't want to kill me feet. Who not go kill me feet? Who not go kill me feet? Everybody get them run, everybody get them look at time. We could have called the name, go down, all the music go. And she said she a come now. I don't want to eat the girl feet. Me not doing it. Me not do it. Me nah do it. Me no nah beat no bad man in me and tell me say this a one year, this a me no care, me no response. Everybody have to come eat. Me talk to Pampute where they Pampute say every minute them a come talk about you nah do nothing for me, you nah do nothing for me, you nah this and nah that. Them nah put no bad mind in me. That's why you see me have to always say big up Pampute. Because them say them nah put no bad mind in me. You don't know if me and her talk behind the scenes, if plan, if whatever, or song or how go, but you know just talk and talk and talk. You know who be your argument and who be who. No man. One thing me ask that man, you know. Me ask that man one thing. If you do so much for me, why you don't do it for yourself? Jay-Z, I forgot where the man name. Him did come and say him make Jay-Z. And Jay-Z come out and say, why you don't make another Jay-Z?
Now we reach to the last section of the video, people, and this is the part where Spice actually break down in tears. You know, after she talk and get out everything, and she get well emotional and she couldn't hold it back no more. And she has said, if you don't know her struggle and know where she start, all of the people them we are talk about them do for her and them make her who she is. You know what I mean? So she break down and cry, people. So here goes.
God know when me do for reach ya so. God know when me do for reach ya so. When me there roadside asleep forget my song them play. God know me reach. You hear me I tell you? When me I go and dance, go stand up and boom boom, stand upside a boom boom to make sure some song play stand upside a Roxy. Richie Feelings now want come out, come talk, but him know me journey. Him fi come out, come talk. God know how me reach a so God alone can take me off fight. You hear me I tell you now, God know what me do and when me go through and me and me two people them alone and me alone. You hear me I tell you now. So me don't want nobody come feel like say them can't tear me down. You can't tear me down. Cause me suffer and struggle. Beer hungry. You hear me I tell you now, what did there? I saw the put out video when me a little girl 16 years old I go up on stage to try to make it and reach. What did there? Where did there? Which part of it there? When me hungry, I couldn't feed myself, much less me pity them. What did it there? Now you come now, you see the glory, I don't know the story. Or you come with an all house, I come try to tumble down, probably and tear me down. Or you leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me alone now, me got through it. You hear me? I tell you now. You know what, hey, you know me I go come on for the live, yeah. But remember me telling you, say, you know, give me basket to carry water, but one did that. One did that when me I suffer. One did that when me I struggle. One did that when I want shoes. When me did homeless, when me house. down. I mean, I don't have to live. What did it there? And years what of tears and prayer put me right here, so. Years what of sufferation and struggle. Fight. I go dance to make sure my song play and pull over on roadside when me asleep. You hear me? I telling you everywhere me go, every dance, every selector know me. Word of the day, Atarize fi come talk. Roxy fi come talk. Boom boom, the whole of them. Richie feelings, the whole of them. Me fight and struggle like a man. A man in a this. Who get it easy? Me don't know about that. One of them, me struggle through it. And you can't tear me down now, it's too late. You hear me? I tell you no? Because I'm an overnight success. Me fight and struggle for it. Leave me alone. I want to come off of my name. Come off of my name. Leave me. Stop give me basket and leave me, wicked serpent.
So people, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching it. Now, I just want to get into the comment section and tell me what you think about this whole thing with Spice say. You know what I mean? Because I think I saw it in people. Hope I saw it in finger crossed because everybody, you know what I mean, RT go live after this, but him never really have nothing where, I don't know. You know, him just talk about what she talk about. Him I try to like counter it, but him, I don't know. You see what I say? I think him say last time I go live, Spice say last time she I go live. You know what I mean? I don't know what Danger and Spice Babyfather, what them a do. But I think I hit this town people. I think say I hit this, everybody bury their shit, everybody say what them have to say and it out. You know what I mean? I might be wrong, but more that hope I saw it go. So people no tell me what you feel about this. So big up on yourself, I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yeah, they.